the due on sale clause. First of all, what is it? Well, it's within a mortgage or a deed of trust that says if you have a loan and you transfer the title to somebody else without getting that loan paid off, then the bank can call the loan due. It's in all mortgages out there today. However, they also pass some exceptions in there, such as if you're putting your property for estate planning purposes, if you transfer it to one of your family members, if you got a second mortgage, for example, and you have to foreclose to take the property back, they can't call that loan due. So I don't worry about the due on sale clause. In fact, I think it's a big plus because I don't need the bank's permission to call the loan due if I take over the debt or buy on a wraparound mortgage. I don't ask for it because I don't need it. In my 41 years of buying and selling houses, I've never had the bank call the loan due. But then again, I don't contact the bank and agitate them. I just start making the payments and they just don't want the house. Because here's what people might not believe, but it's true. The last thing a bank wants is a house. They do not want to foreclose, and they'll bend over backwards not to foreclose.